Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do another unboxing. Yes, I know. Okay, so this is from Maelys. So this is from Maelys. So this is body creams. I think I forgot. I got 3 things that I chose. I can't remember what it was, but okay. So yay! I love the picture. Ooh, they wrote a handwritten note. I haven't received one in a long time. Dang, they even put my last name. Ouch, I kind of pooped my pimple. Anyways, it says, welcome to the house of Bod. Oh, alright. With these products, you're now ready to begin your journey to total agradecería. What? I never heard that before. We know that you're gonna love the results you see. We're not biased or anything. Parentheses. Alright, okay. Don't forget to tag us so that we can share your journey. Okay. And for the love of bad, I think, I don't know, treat yourself right and seize the mother freaking night. What? They put a cuss word? This is weird. Not weird because normally brands don't cuss. It's very inappropriate for them. They're gonna be professional, obviously, so this is new to me. Like, what the heck? Well, they actually, look, they covered the words, but look right here, mother freaking I don't want y'all to see my last name because people are gonna stalk me. I'm trying to cover that, but yeah. Okay, yeah. Alright, this is cute. I like this note. It's different. So, okay, this is a shipping label. So, yeah. Ooh, okay, yay. Okay, finally. So, the first thing is, this Get Peachy Booty Scrub. So, this is how it looks. It looks cool. What? I wish it was all the way up here. I don't know if it melted or that's just how they package things. But this is new to me. These products are specifically made for your booty and I've never tried those products before. It kind of feel like it's not really legit, like it's not really gonna work, but I don't know, who knows. I'm gonna try it out, obviously, and see how it works. And no, I'm not gonna do before and after results here. I'm not gonna show pictures of pictures of my butt online. No, that's private for me. There's a lot of girls that do it, but that's not me. I'm not like that. I don't like to show my skin to the whole world, you know. To me, that's private. Nobody gotta see all that, all right? So, but if you do it, that's good. That's up to you. I don't judge. I'm just saying, for me personally, I don't like showing skin like that. So yeah. Okay, so this is, let me smell it. So never mind, let me open. I still smell that cream. It's pretty strong. So if you don't like scents, you might not like that cream because you could kind of still smell it. So, but I just barely apply it on, so the scent is probably gonna, you know, wander off. Wait, let me see. Ooh, it smells like candy. It smells really good. It reminds me, I don't know if it's Sweet Tarts or, no, not Sweet Tarts. I forgot the freaking candy. It smells really, really good. Wow. I'm kind of scared to use this now because I'm so sensitive that I hope I don't have an allergic reaction to this, but we'll see. So this is targets the look of cellulite by offering a deep massage treatment. So like most women, I have cellulite, I have fat, I have stretch marks, I have scars, I have everything literally. So I was like, you know what, let me try this out. This looks interesting, so let's see. And yeah, most men think that because women are skinny, they don't have any impurities or any stretch marks, any cellulite. They really think that just because you're skinny, you don't have that issue. It's just crazy to me. And then they insult women for it, or they think it's gross. Like, bitch, you don't deserve to be with a woman. Like, really? Period. Not me ranting about it, but yeah. it's crazy how men think is, I don't get their logic, like, really? And they be looking okay, that's a trigger word, I'm not gonna say it, but it starts with the F. They don't look all that, and then they're judging other women's body. Like, boy, are you really that serious? Like, what the heck is your problem? You know what I'm saying? But whatever. So anyways, enough with that rant. So let's see. Directions: apply onto dry skin and use circular circular massaging motion, blah 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 blah. Oh, you can use this for your thigh area as well. So you use it for 2 to 3 minutes and then you just rinse it off. So girl, let's see if this works, because I'm trying to look cute down there, you know what I'm saying? Not that nobody's gonna see it because I'm single, but still, you just love to, you know, I still love to take care of my body, my skin and all that. So, and you don't need to be with somebody to, you know, to take care of your body, you know. Okay, anyways, whatever. So the next thing is this. Ooh, they had a lot of options. I couldn't decide which one to get, but I was like, I don't know, let me just get this. And this is a Be Tight Lift and Firm Beauty Mask. Like I said, I've never tried a booty skincare product, so that's why I chose mainly those things, because I'm curious. And this is cool to me because I don't really see this. So this is basically, let me see, what is this? I think it's basically what it says. It lifts and firms it. I don't freaking know. And I saw pictures on their website of before and after results, and they worked. It looks like it worked. It had amazing results. I don't know if it's fake and that people have been doing BBLs and all that, so I don't know if it's fake or it's real or they worked out. And I don't freaking know, but I was like, you know what, I'm still gonna just try it. What the heck? So yeah, this is, let me see, yeah, it doesn't say directions. What? The other one did. But it says ingredients here in case you want to see it. It has a lot of things, so I hope this is not bad. Oh wait, I just found it. So yeah, it just helps reduce cellulite, firms your skin, and oh yeah, if you have cellulite, obviously if you have bumps and lumps and all that, supposedly that works with that, to remove it or something. I don't figure it out. So yeah, it's the same thing. You do basically the same thing as the other products. So okay. And no, I'm not gonna do a tutorial of this either, but there's people that I found on Instagram that do it. They're in a bikini and they show their butt and they do all that. So look at their Instagram and website, and there's people that are gonna show you how it works. I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, in case y'all are interested. So yeah, let me just open this box. I don't want to break the box. Oops, I folded. Let me use my scissors. So I throw. Okay, so ooh, it's fancy. Oops. Okay, so oh, I love their packaging. So it looks pink. It's, ooh, oh, you can see my fingerprints. Let me open it. Let me smell it. Let me see. Okay. So. Ooh. Okay. I don't really. Oh, I'm starting to smell it. I can't tell whether it is. Hold up. It smells kind of good, but it's not really strong. So it looks pink. It looks like pudding or like. It looks very pretty. It looks nice. I want to eat it. It looks like frosting. It smells good. Like perfume a little bit with something else, but very slight. It's not very strong. It looks nice. Okay, so oops, I got it all over the edge. Okay, whatever. It's fine. I want to use this already. So okay, this is cool. Oh, what? So once you use this, you're gonna feel heat. That's kind of scary. I don't want to burn my cheeks. For 2 hours, you're gonna feel heat sensation. I don't know if I want to use this now. Oh my gosh. We'll see. I guess I'm still gonna try it out. So. Okay, so the last thing, they just sent me 3 things, is this B Flat Firming Belly Cream. So this is for your stomach. This is not for your booty. They have other things for, I think, your boobs. I can't remember, but it's mainly for body, these creams. Okay, so let me open the box. Okay, ooh, I like the packaging. So this one's orange and comes with this sleek bottle. Okay, so this is basically, this helps with reduce the appearance of stretch marks and give a firmer look in your belly. So this is basically for stretch marks in your stomach. Alright, and it helps smooth the look of fatty skin. So alright, that's interesting. So you just basically apply the cream and circular motions, and yeah, that's basically it. And you will also feel warming sensation after using this for up to 2 hours, which I don't think I like that. I'm kind of scared, but whatever. I don't think I'm gonna use it this week, next week. I don't want to. It's because I've been trying a lot of skincare stuff in my face, and it's just too much to handle. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah, that's basically it for this unboxing. First thing, what do you try here? There's a lot of things that I kind of wish I got another different thing now that I'm looking at it, but it was. I think I'm just gonna end it here for this video. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put the prices here and maybe a little bit more about it. If not, here in the description box. So yeah, check that out. Okay, yeah, not the address showing. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.